Okay, so when you're in this My Plate Webquest, you can go ahead and go down here and you will pull up and download your paper. This is your Webquest. When you go into it, then you can just go ahead and highlight this. So I'm just going to roll over that. Then I'm going to right click, and that will give me the options to open the hyperlink or to copy it so that it will take you into the My Plate. Okay, when you do that, you're going to land here. Now the first thing that it had said was click on Eat Healthy and then select what is My Plate so that you can describe what it is. If we go back into that, this is going to be a lot of clicking back and forth. Here's the Eat Healthy section. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit this minimize button right up here at the very top on the right. When it does that, it's going to shrink it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to take my cursor to the corner and I'm just going to pull it over. Okay, that's going to shrink up this screen. Then I'm going to do the same thing over on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that little button. I'm going to come down to the corner and I'm just going to shrink it in. I want to be able to have both of them side by side. Now you could do this on 2 devices, but not all of us have 2 devices. So then you notice that that Eat Healthy section is gone. So I'm going to click on this menu section. That's going to go to Eat Healthy. And then as I scroll down, it says click on what is My Plate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to take me over here. Notice that my paper is over here. And then it tells me what it is. So it's a reminder to find that your healthy eating style and to build it throughout your lifetime. Everything you eat and drink matters. The right mix can help you be happier or healthier now and in the future. And so then it talks about this. Okay. And then you're going to come down and you can see all of these different things. So it's talking about building a healthy eating style. Notice that these giant words here are going to help you. So this, I can go ahead and click on my page over here and I can go ahead and type this in. It means to build a healthy eating style. Notice I'm pulling these words from up here. Okay? And overall, I am finding that this is talking about what kinds of food I need to eat. It's talking about how many calories I need to have, things like that. It tells me what kind of foods. I don't want to scroll under that picture, so I'll just return right there to eat and how to live healthy. Okay, so I've written in a couple of things over here. Now I'm going to go down to the next one. And it says on the left side of the web page, click on My Plate, My State, and select Missouri, and then give some local grown foods. Well, because I have taken all of that out, I have got to go clear down to find out what my other options are. The other option that I can do is I can click and make this big real quick. Then I can see over here My Plate, My State. But if I leave it, those items are clear down here at the bottom. So My Plate, My State. We live in Missouri. So I'm going to come down here. Missouri's right in the middle. I'm going to click on that. And then it says locally grown and produced foods. So here I can go ahead and type in a couple of the fruits, a couple of the vegetables, a couple of the grains, okay, a couple of the dairy and the protein. Then it's going to say on the left side there are 5 subtopics. Click on each one. So now I'm going to start clicking in on the items that I have. So once again, it says on the left side, because I've shrunk it down, it's going to be down here at the very bottom. So when I click on fruits, and it says this type of thing, I'm going to show you real quick what you're filling in is right here. So it starts out exactly the same, and then it says, so I would fill in the spots that I needed to here. And as you type them in, it says 100% fruit juice. I can just go ahead and type that in. Okay, right on the line, no big deal. How many servings of fruit do you need? And then it says that's going to depend on your age and your gender and the level of physical activity, all of that. The amount of each person needs will vary, but if I go ahead and I click down on this daily fruit table, I can identify if you're a girl and you're 13 years of age, you need 1.5 cups. If you're a girl and you're 14, you're going to need 1.5 cups. If you're a boy who is 9, 10, 11, 12, or 13, you're going to need 1.5. And then a boy who is 14 is going to need 2 because they're growing so much faster. And boys typically get bigger quicker as far as needing more food, things like that. So then I would go ahead and say, okay, I'm a 14-year-old boy, I need 2 cups, and then I can answer that. Then I can move to the vegetable section. Once again, I'm going to scroll clear to the bottom. I'm going to go to the vegetable section. And then, once again, that information is right at the top. If you ever can't find it, you're just going to hit Control F, and then you're going to type in the things that you need. So you can say fruit, oh, that isn't the one, vegetable juice, because those words are right here, and then you're going to find those words right there, and then you can find what it is that you are looking for. Okay, it's going to be at the beginning or highlighted words, things like that. Okay, when it wants to know how many you need, you're just going to click on the table. Okay, so those are your helpful tips and tricks on answering this. It should go fairly fast once you've got that done. Okay.